Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. TGIF. Fabulous Friday. I think Mother Nature needs to go see a therapist because it's chilly out there. A few days ago, I was in shorts and a t-shirt and my Birkenstocks. Today, it's starting in jeans, polo shirt, and I'm probably going to put my sweatshirt back on. Crazy. And it was supposed to, according to Mr. Bob, Bob, according to Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, there's possible rain this weekend. All right, I digress. Last night, I prepared, checking my notes, spicy shrimp tacos with a cilantro lime slaw. Oh, they were spicy. They were, but it was a good spicy. This was good. Now, if you remember yesterday, I borrowed this slaw from another recipe because I like it that much. It was really good. If you haven't seen the pictures, look at the pictures. I will get the recipe up in, I say that because it's part recipe, part just ingredient list. Sorry. But this is good. And there will be the notes, the things that I've, added, so forth. But yeah, it's a good spicy. Yeah. It must be Friday because I'm doing pasta. I've added a different name to the Friday pasta, Scrumptious Resourceful Pasta. This is the day that I just kind of throw things at it, and things that I have left over, that are things I don't need for tomorrow, so forth. Yeah. So let's get to it. Got the pasta hardware going out. I got 2 Dutch ovens, one for the pasta, one for the guts of it, the goodies. Using linguine. Yep, I love linguine. Kosher salt, black pepper. Of course, there's butter, olive oil, garlic. I'm buying garlic this weekend. So I'll be slicing up this half of this red onion. I have a leftover Roma, so I'm going to dice this up. Yellow squash. This is a gray squash. It's a Mexican variety. It's smaller. This is kind of a larger yellow. But this is a gray squash. I'm gonna be trying it. Big old red bell pepper. I only use half of this. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of dry basil. I'm going to add some nori flake to give it some color. Red chili pepper flakes. And some flat leaf parsley for garnish, and I'm going to top it off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and this is a shredded version. Works better for the camera. So these are the goodies for tonight's Friday pasta. Boy, do I have big plans for next week. First, Thursday kicks off my international, I can't remember what I even named my own year, but I'm kicking it off with a Colombian, a dish from Colombia, the international fest. You know what I mean. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun doing the research on international recipes from various countries and so forth. The numbers, I'm actually computing the numbers from what I have done for the year 2004 and 2025. The numbers are big, really big. I'll let those out here in the next few days. So on this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.